In this lecture, I will share some very important points about parallel combination of cells. First of all, let us try to understand what is the meaning of parallel combination of cells. Suppose we have a larger number of cells which are to be connected in parallel to each other. What we do, we place the cells in such a way that their positive terminals are on one side and negative terminals are on the other side. A large number of cells are connected in this way. This is a common point. Positive terminals of all the cells are connected to a common terminal, and negative terminals of all the cells are connected to another common terminal. This type of combination of cells is called parallel combination of cells. Suppose there are total n cells which are connected in parallel. Suppose R is internal resistance of each cell and E represents E.M.F of each cell. So I can represent internal resistance of each cell by small r and E.M.F of each cell as E. Suppose this combination is connected to some external resistance capital R in this way. When this is connected, some current will flow from positive terminals to negative. Let us suppose this current is I. Our question is, what will be value of this current I if I connect a parallel combination of cells in this case? Now first of all, let us find total internal resistance of the cells. Total internal resistance of cells. Let me call this R dash. We have to find value of R dash. Because all the cells are parallel, means all the resistances are parallel. By using formula for parallel combination of resistances, I can write 1 over R dash equal to 1 over R plus 1 over R plus so on 1 over R. It is written n times. This will give us 1 over R dash equal to n times 1 over R, or we can write R dash 1 over R dash is equal to n upon R. This will give us R dash is equal to R over n. So this is the value of net resistance, internal resistance of all the n cells. Let me call it equation number 1. Similarly, total E.M.F of all the cells. Let it be denoted by E dash. Because all the cells are parallel to each other, so E.M.F between this terminal and this terminal will be same, that is of single cell. So E dash will be equal to E. Let us call it next equation number 2. Now let me consider a single cell whose E.M.F is E dash and internal resistance is R dash. Let me represent this internal resistance by this R dash. If I connect this equivalent cell to the same external resistance capital R, then same current will be drawn as in previous case when n cells are connected in parallel. That is, current again will be I. Now in this closed circuit, by applying Kirchhoff law, we can write E.M.F of the cell is equal to potential across external resistance plus potential across internal resistance of the equivalent cell. By putting the values of E dash and R dash from previous equations, we can write E is equal to I capital R plus I R upon N. After simplifying, I can write answer for I is equal to E.M.F divided by capital R plus small r divided by N. This gives us current that can be drawn from parallel combination of n cells, each cell having internal resistance small r and each cell having EMF E and capital R is externally connected resistance. Again, let us consider a special case. If external resistance is very small, then in this expression we can neglect capital R in comparison to this small r over n term. So I will become equal to EMF divided by R upon N. Capital R has been neglected. So this gives I is equal to N times E upon R. This gives us maximum current that can be drawn from parallel combination of n cells. It means in order to draw maximum current from parallel combination, we have to make external resistance very small. That's all.